Let's now try the new Iwawa concealer palette. We have a peach color corrector, dark shade concealer which I use as my same shade concealer. We now have a light pink cream blush and a half pan green color corrector. We still have powder matte highlighter but it's now half pan. This is old versus new. Let's use the peach corrector on my under eye. This is after application. Next, the dark shade for my dark spots. Apply and blend. Coat your blending brush with product before using. Next, let's apply the foundation. Let's now use the cream blush. This is ideal for light skin tones, but can still work for light medium to medium like me. The green color corrector is too light, so let's try to use it as light shade concealer or cream highlighter. This is our base makeup using the new Iwawa concealer palette.